how we can apply omission of ingredient in Section 3 and Section 8 OEL. If there are any ingredients that you do not wish to disclose in Section 3 or Section 8 of the SDS, you may choose to omit them. You can click here. I'm randomly clicking methanol for demonstration. You may untick here under the Display in Hazardous Ingredients section and click Save. In my case, I'm not going to do so because all my ingredients are hazardous and above cutoff limit for listing. As for OEL, if in case you wish to omit from Section 8, you can tick here to exclude from Section 8 OEL table. In my case, I'm not going to do so again because methanol is assigned with OEL under EU. And you click Save. Please be informed that these omissions are to be made following the requirements of the country-specific regulations.